Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the cerulean skies of the Millennium Cricket League, the F40 League Division B clash set the Nuovo Sunrisers and Edison Panthers to battle. Anticipation hung thick as a cricket bats edge on matchday, with strategies poised to unfold.
As the sun blazed down on the field, the chessboard of cricket awaited its warriors. The Panthers, armed with the advantage of the toss, chose to unleash their bowlers first, heralding a clash that promised sparks and spectacle.
Today's match was brought to life thanks to our cherished sponsors, who have infused vitality into this unforgettable encounter. Their support mirrors the spirited action we have witnessed on the pitch.
Diffgen Pharmaceuticals, delivering boundary-breaking generics with the power of a Master Blaster 6. And Faith Home Healthcare, covering all bases in home care with the precision of a spin bowler's turn and the grace of a fielder's dive.
The match narrative was sculpted by tight bowling and a batting lineup that seemed to crumble under pressure. The Sunrisers fought but were shackled at a modest total, their innings ending with a whimper. Extras, the unwelcome guest in cricket, played their bit too.
The Panthers prowled and pounced with Amit Mangrolia leading the charge, the bowler's spell proving destructive. A match that seemed a run-fest turned on its head to become a tale of the bowler's ascendancy, a low-scoring drama where every run became precious.
The Sunrisers' innings was like a stuttering engine, spluttering to life intermittently. Krishna and Nutan carved a partnership of resilience, a small bastion amidst the ruins, contributing crucial runs.
The Panthers' bowling, a well-oiled machine, spearheaded by Mangrolia, choked the run flow. Strategic field placements and disciplined lines were the enigmatic spells that left the Sunrisers ensnared.
Chasing a modest sum, the Panthers took to the stage with calculated aggression. Vismay Patel unfurled his bat like a painter's brush, scripting a swift chase, until a mini collapse offered a glimmer of hope to the Sunrisers.
The tale saw a twist when Krishna Teja and Alchala briefly turned heroes with the ball for Sunrisers, but their efforts were akin to raindrops in a sea, as Panthers cantered to victory with steady batsmanship from Akshat and Priyal.
Mangrolia's magic was undeniable, his 5-wicket haul a sorcerous spellbinding act. Vismay Patel, with his brisk pace, injected momentum into the chase, guiding his team closer to the grail.
The maestro Mangrolia orchestrated the downfall of the Sunrisers lineup, setting the stage for victory. Patel's bat spoke with vigor, catapulting the Panthers toward their target with the same certainty as the sunrise.
Edison Panthers emerged victorious, outclassing Nuovo Sunrisers by 7 wickets. The result hinged on a commendable bowling display that strangled the Sunrisers, setting up an accessible chase.
The Panthers roared in triumph, their win a testament to the power of tight bowling and purposeful batting. The Sunrisers' low total proving inadequate in the face of the Panthers' calculated assault. In the end, cricket was the true winner, would say the romantics, as we saw the ebb and flow of a classic encounter. Today the Panthers etched their authority, establishing their dominance in the Division B clash.
As the dust settles on this battlefield, Mangrolia's craft will be etched in the annals of the league's history. The Panthers march on, while the Sunrisers reflect, the story of this encounter a riveting chapter in the league's saga.